Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aries, a simple 9-card spread to see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Aries, let's see what's going on and what message wants to show through. All right, Aries, I have the 5 of Swords in reverse with the 5 of Wands in reverse. Center of my spread. Okay. Ew. Okay. Oh my God, Aries, look at the heartbreak. Look at the heartbreak. Somebody is now seeing their own behavior, Aries. This could be you, could be the cross watcher. They are now feeling that this is what they wanted all along. This is the potential. This is what this person really wants. Like I said, Aries, this could be you, right? Could be your person. Now they feel whatever games they were playing, they have totally backfired on them. As much as they want to heal this connection or end the fight, because I guess now they want to start from scratch. Come forward, offer maybe love or something like that. I don't know how much they are being... I don't think they even respect themselves now, because they've always been in the past maybe in 2 directions, not wanting commitment, but that hasn't led to anything happy in their life. So I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, Aries, as usual, between the two of you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then see why this King of Swords, King of Pentacles is in reverse. This could also... Okay, let me not talk too much, but I had a thought in my mind. I'll share it with you later. Okay, 1 second. What happened to my screen? Okay, here it is. Aries and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aries and their person. Aries and their person, Spirit, thank you. I'm going to take a few more Aries from another deck. Aries and their person. Aries and that person. Good. And Aries, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, Aries, good to go. Let's start our reading. I like so many things about you that even I don't know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me, and I was made for you. I can smell a bit of desperation in this card. The love that I have for you is a deep reflection of the love I have for myself. I found all the fragmented, broken pieces of myself when I met you. You mirrored my wounds so that I can look deep inside of myself and heal from within. This connection can feel out of balance when I try to reassure or overgive to you. I realized that I have to give to myself, and then that you will then master self-love. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. There's a lot of self-loathing going on, Aries, if I'm not wrong. Of course, I'll clarify all these cards later. Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed. I dream that I will wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each morning. You feed my heart and soul with your love. You are my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right, and you let me down. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. Don't let the past dictate the future. I'm afraid of losing you. All right, Aries, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. And as always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, okay? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aries. Blessings of abundance for you, Aries. This is by far, not my favorite, but my third favorite card. My favorite card is Miracle, Love, and then Blessings of Abundance. And abundance doesn't just mean money, but that's welcome too, right, Aries? But this is overall feeling like an emperor or an empress when everything's falling into place. So this is your blessing, Aries, blessings of abundance for you. Okay, now let's see what's going on here. I'm going to start clarifying these cards now. Spirit, who's in the Two of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles in reverse energy? Why is that here? Two of Wands. Okay. And the Ten of Pentacles. One more. Aries. It was clear as a bell, I think, that this connection was destined. It was meant to be, right? But somebody here was a bit emotionally manipulative, maybe never opened up, was a bit, they didn't show that they really cared, or maybe they wanted to keep themselves available or pulled into different directions. This person was sitting in a little bit of ego and pride or something. It was, I don't know, this is very, very prideful energy of being emotionally manipulative, even though knowing that this connection was very special. They do want to end this fight now, but only because they feel that the potential of this Ten of Pentacles is now over. Am I right, Spirit? What's this Ten of Pentacles? Give me one more again in reverse. Yeah, because I think the other person probably dropped them. I'm not going to be juggled. If you're going to behave like a pompous person and have all that ego and pride, yes, there was a big possibility of things going well, but I'm not going to be fighting with you or fighting for you. You can keep your emotions to yourself, and I think they got dropped. This potential of a Ten of Pentacles got dropped, and somebody is very, very unhappy about it. They are feeling this release, I think, from their partner now, and also recognizing that too many bad memories have been created in this connection now. I don't think they have the guts to come forward, but they are manifesting. Very unhappy at feeling released or having lost this soulmate connection. So this person is in magician mode, behind the scenes, manifesting that, hey, maybe this is still possible. Maybe this Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands, this is still possible. What's this Four of Wands, Spirit? Four of Wands. Yes, because now, see, this Queen of Cups has put a lid on that cup of love. There is no more love being offered from either party, because one person is hiding after, behaving like that. And the other person could have also withdrawn their love and said, I'm going into self-care. But whoever this person was who was pretending not to care, who was doing the blocking and everything, I think they were only pretending, or maybe they were in their low vibration, being very egoistic. But now they're recognizing that ever since, I think, the other person has started blocking them, now they are admiring the person even more. And it's like kind of woken this person up. This is like they're going through a tower moment. No wonder the Three of Swords was there. This person is going through a huge awakening, like a shake-up. That their bad behavior has actually ended up making them the loser in the game. Now they want to end the fight. Five of Swords in reverse. Devil. Yes, this person was they wanted to appear as somebody very strong and powerful and be looked at as the emperor, but they did it in the wrong way. They did it in a very, very toxic way. The devil and the emperor, right? So maybe they didn't feel good enough, or they didn't have that kind of power, and they used wrong means, like belittling other people or showing that I'm bigger than you, better than you. All these games that they played was only in an effort to look bigger and better. But they did it in a very, very wrong way, in a devilish kind of way, right? So now they're recognizing, oh my God, what did I do? All this behavior of mine, I ended up being the loser. And I've lost a beautiful, beautiful, passionate connection in my life because I refuse to give to it, or give any structure to it, or commit to it. So Five of Wands in reverse. Yes, now they're very scared, very, very, very scared. They are feeling that this connection has totally halted. Nobody is fighting for them anymore. They are totally in their fields. They think about sending that message many times, but each time they do, they get afraid big time. They don't know what to say to, get things moving again. So Knight of Cups. Somewhere they could be feeling rather depressed as well, because they feel if my person is no longer giving me attention, they don't want to reconcile with me. Maybe my person's gone off for new love somewhere. No wonder they're not fighting for me or for this connection. And they also feel, oh my God, all this behavior of mine, it totally backfired on me. I mean, there's so many other people, who could be vying for my person's attention. That's actually making them feel, instead of making them better, they are getting angrier by the day. King of Swords in reverse and the Fool in reverse. The more they're recognizing that they don't have any new beginning available to them, this person is actually getting more and more angry, more and more unsettled. Look at this, my God, the minute I said that, this is like wild anger. This has been showing up for the Aries readings for a long time. That somebody is getting pissed off at themselves and behaving even more irrationally. Instead of actually coming forward with an apology, their heartbreak is actually making them this Five of Swords. It's like cutting your nose to spite your face. King of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. I don't think anything is really going well in their life right now. Maybe their money is looking bad. The minute I said money, look at this, Five of Pentacles, feeling left out in the cold, abandoned, wanting to desperately get out of this overthinking, not being able to sleep well at night. King of Pentacles is clarified again with the King of Pentacles in reverse, with the Queen of Pentacles upright. It's almost like the coin has been flipped. What they were trying to do to their person has happened to them. And that's making them really, really mad. Now their person who they were mean to is the one who's glowing, who's abundant, who's being looked at, respected, all the things that they wanted. They wanted to look like an emperor, but they went about it in a very, very wrong way. Now they can't get over the fact that it's almost like, destinies have been switched. So what about this Three of Swords, Spirit? Yeah, this blessings of abundance is for the person who was on the receiving end of their bad behavior. So what's this Three of Swords, Spirit? What's this heartbreak all about? One more. my God, really. Man, the universe is very powerful. Let me tell you one thing. Now, when they're seeing their person, the Queen of Pentacles, and now they're realizing they are not even a King of Pentacles. Forget being the Emperor. Uh, this person is being held hostage by the universe, literally. They are being hung upside down to see things from all perspectives now. They're getting this epiphanies that all this, I'm in two minds, I can't make up my mind, that was all a play. They exactly knew which direction they wanted to go to. They wanted to go towards their wish fulfillment. Their star, who was this other person, right? That is the person who actually gives them lots of happiness. This is their wish fulfillment, happiness, star, sun, everything. This person is now very disappointed. Very, very disappointed with their own behavior, with their own lack of judgment, I guess. Somebody is going through a lot of heartbreak because they feel terrible. Somebody wanted to have the upper hand, instead it got flipped. Am I right, Spirit? Give me one more. Oh my God, this person is practically unwell at the moment with depression. Look at the stress. By themselves, feeling surrounded with swords, having nobody around them, can't see the path ahead of them, going through acute heartbreak because they had a potential for the Ten of Cups. They had the potential for the Ten of Cups and they never made a decision in the past. This is karmic justice going on. Somebody used wrong methods to become an emperor, a false emperor, and it just got switched. My God. So yes, whoever the other person is, congratulations. You have done well and you are going to be blessed with a lot of abundance in your life. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Aries, today. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.